Well, good morning. Welcome to another video. The luck streak continues to dive. So yesterday, we tried taking the yak out and got everything ready to go. About to head out. Wait a minute. Where's my paddle? No paddle. So hit a couple ponds. Zero luck. I got to watch a couple guys catch fish from kayaks where I was planning to launch while standing on the bank just watching these dudes pull bass in. Anyways, new day, wake up, stuff's packed, talk to Robbie, gonna link up with him again. He's got my paddle, so we have all the pieces today. And as you can see, I come get in the car and it starts raining. No mention of rain on the weather app. Pulled the radar up. Looks like a small rain cloud. You know, obviously it's not small, it's covering the whole city, but not a long day of rain. So I head up there to the pond, kind of wait it out, see what happens. Launch the kayaks today, see if we can get on some bass. At like my favorite fishing spot ever, locally. We're gonna run around there real quick and then maybe shoot up and down the creeks that feed it, and we'll see where the bass are. I saw where the guys were catching them yesterday, so we might start right there. And anyway, stick around. Hopefully this rain clears up and we can get on some big bass. Alright guys, peace. Did I lock the car? I locked the car. I definitely locked the car. Car's locked. Alright. Let's see how this adventure goes. I kind of think I want to be in front of this. Huh? Said I kind of feel like I want to be in front of this. Fingers crossed. Look, see? Easy peasy. Ah, it's just a tree branch. It's not really the tree. I'm already in there, bro. We're committed at this point. I'm committed at this point. Yeah, that would be bad, wouldn't it?
I don't even like being over here right now because it's over here.
Okay, first instance of regret. I'm in there.
Oh my god, dude.
I'm in there.
You almost died.
Butt's wet,
Yeah, no
but I'm in there. You may, all right, maybe you want to go down to the other spot.
Yeah, dude.
I'll meet you down there. Heart's pumping.
Yeah,
Definitely awake.
Went in and I almost fell in, dude. This is your fault.
There's one. There's a good fish right there. Oh. Yeah, he's so good. Look at how good he is. Oh man, he smashed that thing. I really was under the impression that that was going to be a big fish. I barely hooked him. Come on, bro. There we go. Well, there he is. Dink of the day. But no skunk. Yep. There you go, bud. Oh. Not a bad one. Nothing to write home about, but it's nothing to write home about, but they just suck it in. Yep, same. Doubled up. Doubled up. Oh, come on, chill out, bro. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Better than the first one for sure. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to turn around the fish in my hand. Well, I can't get my camera angle at you if I can't freaking turn around. Look at that. There you go. Doubled up. Doubled up. Nice. See ya, buddy. There we go. Oh, it's a stick. Bro. That stick bites like a fish, let me tell you what. Oh, man. I did. I definitely did. That was weird too, because I wasn't even moving the lure, just little twitches. And then pop, and I was like, oh, okay. That's a fish. Stick. Dude, I'm telling you. You just catch my freaking fish?
I just caught one just sitting and throwing my shit in the water, dude.
I'm telling you, they're back here for sure, bro. Nice, dude. That's a good one. That's a good fish.
Oh, literally just fucking was just moving the foot on the top of the water, dude. And I watched it just come up. And
just came up and snagged it, dude. They're definitely back here. Watch, watch, watch. I watched him take that one. All right, chill, bloodbath. Chill, chill. That's 2 double ups, bro. 2 double ups. This creek might be the fire right now. So this creek is fire right now. This is what I wanted to do freaking yesterday, was come down here. Not bad. Number 3. Oh yeah. Ooh, nice little face wash. Oh, little guy. Yeah, they do. All right, little man. I'm not really in a good spot to grab you right now, so let's go for a ride. I just want to clear this tree. There we go. All right. Well, there's number 4. Another little guy, but they're definitely back in this creek. Fish to fish. I'm having fun. We're hunting for big uns. We are hunting. He's gonna touch the butt.
You see touch-
Oh, he touched the butt. Shut up, dude. I'm gonna go home and watch Finding Nemo now, bro. It's like one of my all-time favorite movies.
It's a bug.
He touched the butt. Don't you touch that boat. What?
Fucking office's asshole.
Here, grab this real quick. Alright, that's good. We're in there. Okay. So you got your braid. You got your fluorocarbon. Is it already cut?
Yeah.
Okay, so you gotta get as long as the section as you want.
Yeah, it's pretty
Okay,
long.
so put like 4 inches. Like this is your fluorocarbon, this is your braid. You're gonna lay it like this. Yeah, just like that, alright? And make a circle. Roll it up into a circle. Like holding both lines. No. Don't twist it. Like this. You know how you like fold the line over to make a loop in it?
Kind of do.
Yeah, and then so you have both the tag ends still on each side of it, right?
Yeah.
So take your fluorocarbon tag end and the tag end that's on the same side as your fluorocarbon, right? And you're gonna,
These ends?
yeah. So that long ass end is gonna have to go through that loop 4 times. But take your braid as well. You know what I'm saying?
So it's made a circle.
Yeah, so you make the circle, hold the circle there, leave the circle, right? Then you take the end of that circle that's coming off, that's got your fluorocarbon on it.
Take the floor out. Braid. Tuck it through 4 times.
Yeah, wait, no, you want the other end. You want the long end of fluorocarbon.
This end.
Yeah.
What the fucking shit does, dude?
Here, let me show you once real quick, and then you can.
So, I'm a fucking shit.
Yep.
Okay. Make a circle.
Yep. There you go.
It was made.
Then you pinch that bottom of that circle so you hold it tight. Yeah, and then take that end and that little tiny piece of braid sticking out. Those two got to go through that circle 4 times, and then you just pull tight. All right, so you might be a little bit confused about. You might be a little bit confused about what you're watching in this part of the video. So what I'm doing here is I'm teaching Robbie how to tie on a fluorocarbon leader to his braid because what he had on originally had snapped off. And so I figured I'd cut in and give that lesson a little bit closer where you're not just watching my hands, you're actually watching the actual knot being tied. So what we're going to do here, right, let's say you're using braid, okay, which you should be because it's just so sensitive, but you don't want those bass to see this braid in the water and spook off. So you have your fluorocarbon leader. Here's what you do, okay, you get your braid and let's find the tag end here. There we go. You got your fluoro. You take a good section of each, right? You're going to lay those right on top of each other like that, okay? Once you get them on each other, you're going to create a nice little loop. Boom, there you go. Now you have a short tag end of the braid and a long tag end of your fluorocarbon leader. So what you're going to do is you're going to take both of those. You're going to go through your circle without dropping it like I just did. Keep that tight pinch right there on that bottom of that circle and just pull it through. The whole long end of your fluorocarbon is going to come through, and you're going to repeat that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3. Tell you what, we're just going to do it 3 times right now because this is not attached to a rod. Anyways, go through that 4 times. Once you're done, you grab both ends, the tag ends, and pull tight. Once you pull that tight, you're going to have that nice little clinch knot right there. All you're going to do is clip your ends and you got a nice fluorocarbon leader. Okay, that's how it works. Simple, easy, it's fast. That's what you just missed happen off camera. Thought I'd fill you in. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video. Also, I totally apologize for the camera angle in this video. I need a new GoPro mount for my chest mount. It's shot down a lot, so you're looking at a lot of what's happening right in front of me in the kayak and not the actual scenario, what's going on. That'll be fixed by next video. Thanks, boys. Bam, done. Like the first time I did it, I was like, this is kind of like a lot to manage with my fingers, but now I can do it like bam, bam, bam. I only tied the knot like 5 times maybe. Because I was never fishing with leaders until like months ago. And the first leader I tied on there, I tied on like an 8-foot section. So I just kept on, I kept using it till it was like 2 feet long. I was like, I should probably put a different leader on. What? I mean, I caught a fish. Can't be that big of an idiot. He's no behemoth. But he freaking choked that thing. Holy crap. Bro. Look at... Oh my goodness. Gulped it, bro. I hope I didn't gut hook him. I got him. All right, cool. Sorry, buddy. Get you back in there. I got. Oh, hey, Mr. Turtle. I don't know if you can see what I can see down there, but it definitely drops off. That may or may not be a waterfall. Oh my God, get out of here. What? Oh no. Not like we're moving really fast. I can't beat this current with my bare hands. I don't even need a paddle, dude. What the fuck is that? Bike? That's a bike.
It's a whole ass bike.
I just ran into a whole ass bike. Crap. Well, it looks like I'm getting out. Oh, that is so slippery. All right. Successful recovery. You want to shoot back up?
Huh?
You want to shoot back up? This is like, even if we launch right out of here, it's super shallow and it's super rocky. Like all the way out to there. Swear something just smacked it, bro. Yep. As soon as it hit the water. Good golly. Oh God. He just jumped under the boat. He took my whole line under the boat and jumped up on this side to break off. Bro. I don't know what's caused more water to get in my kayak. The rain, my super sick launch, or my lack of scuppers. But I got some, like my little water bottle thing right here, completely submerged in water. Okay, all right. I didn't plan this one through very well. Oh, I got spiders on me. I can feel it. Oh my God. Ooh, that might have the record for the smallest fish of the day. Chill, baby bird, chill. Woo! Looky there, bro. Should I throw it on the scale? You think? Number 6. Number 7. Not a bad fish. A good fish. Huh? Not bad. All right, good day for sure. Sketchy launch, sketchy recovery. Awesome creek. Caught some bass today. Robbie had some luck. You still not like this pond? Yeah, I mean
Real trashy.
Oh, it's trashy. Welcome to Virginia Beach. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you're not already, click down below, slam that subscribe button for me. That would be super dope. Helps me out. Doesn't cost you anything. So, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.